96 Impala. We're going to be doing a master cylinder that we bought two of accidentally from Amazon. And we're also doing the booster we got from O'Reilly. That's the part number. So on the inside we'll be unbolting it and disconnecting from the pedal first, and then we'll come outside and do this. See if I can bring it into the inside. So we're gonna pull this pin and let's see if I can focus it. Pull the cotter pin out, slide this off the brake, or push the pin back, and then we'll work on the 4 bolts. So we got the 4 bolts from the back now. We got this one to disconnect with the pliers, and then these two. And then we should be able to pull the assembly out. So you're gonna have 4 factory bolts holding it in place. Kind of hard to see. There's 2 there. I don't see the ones on the top. 15 millimeters. The replacements are 14. So I'll get those out. So I got the old one out. The new one is loosely in there. There's a bracket here, so you do have to take the master off basically, because you got to move that bracket that holds the proportioning valve and get to those lines. As I get the ones on the inside and that clip, and then we'll tighten up these lines and fill it up. And last will be to bleed. Alright, so other than bleeding, we're done. So it took me about an hour. 4 bolts on the inside, the 1 clip, this vacuum hose for the booster, these 2 bolts and these 2 lines. Next will just be filling it up, and then I'm just going to bleed the master cylinder. We should be good to go. But I'm by myself, so. Anyway, 96 Impala, AC Delco part from Amazon, and then the booster from O'Reilly. Like and subscribe.